Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Doesn't ever expect to see that coming. That was fantastic. Anyway, we're back in the security video. By the way, it's the 3rd of February today. I was recording out of February, so I'm back on Tuesday because I've been to Selborne Walk in. I've been to Asda in Selborne Walkers, the mall today, in the mall today, in the supermarket next to the Waterstone Market, as well buying some chicken fajitas today. Also, we're having chicken fajitas every day today because I'm afraid we had to have chicken fajitas before the Easter holidays. I suppose we are going to have Easter holidays. I hope Bugs Bunny doesn't taste so good. like he's like takes carrots now. So by the way, Pop-Pop's here. By the way, in this Pop-Pop's thingy though, I love to also look at the Pop-Pop's clothes. Also take a look at his clothes. It looks amazing. I got also some. Okay. There's a bed though. By the way, Pop sleeping in my mum's bed for now for the day for 5 days or maybe 4 days. I've still got 4 days to go, and let's say 3 days to go. We've got 3 days, maybe 4 days, maybe 4 days. By the way, we're back in the another video. By the way, so fantastic. I also am going to be FaceTime with my mum in a minute. I can't believe it. Also, I can't believe it's just scum before, and I can just come back to life. There you go, back. Okay, we're back now. Welcome back. We're here in my bedroom right now. This is my bedroom. Seems surely. Sorry guys, I just spilled it by mistake. I'm so sorry. We need to get some more after this point. Here guys, this is my iPad. I'll take it downstairs because I had to phone Mama shortly because I need to do something. I should tell me so. Whew. And there's the bathroom again. I was dead in the first one. That's why I did that. The first video, so here we are. Got it. It's mission accomplished.
There you are. Well done. Good.
Mission accomplished. There. I need to over there. Okay, we're back. Again, we're going to be back in this video. Shortly so far, and then okay, well there's Christmas again. Okay, there he is again. So, well, those times are a little bit weak. So, this is so fantastic. So, you want to see that point? So, oh my goodness. Also, I can't believe you're back. You're back in this video. Yes. Okay. My mum's still in Bangkok right now because he's having a meeting. Everyone on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and come back home on Friday morning. Can't believe it. I can't believe it. It's gonna be true. Wow. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So about that. So don't understand. How does it? Don't mind how does it do it? Never again about the trans people as a box. Never again will I take a picture of that with match functions. First I got Waltham Forest News. Hello, welcome to Waltham Forest News. Today's headline now. Share your skill and make a difference. Okay, now the news. Celebrity the woman of Waltham Forest. There we are. There's a picture with the woman on the bike. and something. There's also this one. Chris Robbins. Oh, that's me. Oh, can't believe I'm back in this video. Hello here. Welcome back. Hi, you Cam. Hello. Also, I'm going to be waiting for my mum to come to phone us right now because he's seeing how they see us doing. Oh, just for a iPhone. Chris Robbins, bottom left is the bottom left. Here we are. That's the one. That's the one of the. This was always the leader of Waltham Forest Council. Yeah. The other was to take part were Barking and Dagenham, Enfield, Greenwich, Hackney, Herring, Newham, Lethbridge, and Tower Hamlet. Wow, Tower Hamlets, eh? Oh, there we go. That's the there we go. They say it comes from Helen Cooper. That's Helen Cooper from Leighton, Radborough, Worcester. Leader Ben Leighton, Gabriel Cooper in Leighton as well. They moved to Leighton. Wow. Oh, good. It looks like Gino D'Acampo. If you guys love Gino D'Acampo, that TV. If you guys love Gino D'Acampo on television, check it out now. Or check it out on YouTube. It's so fantastic. Still waiting for my mum to call. So
yeah, it shouldn't be too long.
It should be too long. It's just get my mum's finishing work for the night. That's it. Unfortunately, that's it. Also, my mum is finishing work for the night, for the other night tomorrow. Sorry before that. Oh, that would be crazy. That time's crazy. That a day in here and a night in Bangkok in Thailand. That was a little bit too serious. Like what? Like something like that. But I'm just gonna Hello, how are you doing? Oh, we're doing like that. Heard something. This one's just been on about this one. Whew. That's me. Oh no. Oh, there we go. That's the one from the. Okay. 4:43 p.m. Now it's 4:44. Now it's 4:44. Serious, dude. Wow, it looks like amazing job. Whoa. I thought about something. Do you know why? Durgan Book Shop. Durgan Book Shop. Okay. Just waiting for him to come to the call on something like that. Binging. Whatever you want to do. Just couldn't. Whatever you want. Something what is going to happen. It's sort of like mixing up or something like. Oh god, still waiting for my mum. You serious? Like I was. Floods of sort of, Okay. Ah, it's like the pop was going. Ah, I was looking there. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.